move to 7.7 to discuss about the unit of length within the word. So until now, we already finished more than half of this work with Word. We will have some more the style and the components to be discussed, like image, title, table, and also we will set up a page. During that, we will mention another middle hierarchy between document and the paragraph. There's also our concept called the section, which is quite similar to PowerPoint in next chapter. So those are the following parts. And then if we come to this mind map, you can see here there's a unit of length introduced. It's called the EMU. So within the word, 1 EMU equal to 1 is the base unit, and all the other named length unit has the conversion with the EMU. So you can call our cm, centimeter, or millimeter. They have this conversion to EMU. And we will discuss how to convert unit, and especially is those unit lengths is valid for the Western character, and how they convert to the Chinese character. So we will also try to demo that using our word interface in Chinese. So these are the word the documents. So I would like to introduce you another part. So this is the Python with Office. I also have our another the series of the video which discuss about LaTeX. So if you go to my repository, and their name is here is Learn LaTeX. So these are not the word as I mentioned in the early the video already. So but they have quite similar concept when they deal with the document, not Excel, not PowerPoint, but especially on the Word documents. Here is the mind map, which you can find from that repository. So one thing I want you to aware, and within the LaTeX, and there's also our format control. So within here, there's also our list of the definition for LaTeX, also talking about the unit of length. But within LaTeX, they starting from the pound, the PT. So this PT, we also have the same name here. So 1 PT we convert to 12,700 EMU. But in LaTeX, you have this 1 PT and 1 PC. So 1 PC. So in LaTeX, all the lengths are used to convert to the PT. So PT is the base. So you can see here 1 centimeter is go to this inch, and 1 inch is go to 2.27 PT. And in the Office, we have 1 inch with this large number of EMU. But if you divide this by this 12,700, you will get this number. So this 72. So those are the way is we need to respect a different tool. They have the different way of define the length of the unit of length. But during this second chapter, we will see is if you just wanted to know 1 inch equal to how many pound or how many the centimeter, we can have a way to do the conversion. No need to you to calculate that yourself. So let's go to our demos. So let me create 7 is unit of length. We're starting this this first one is there's no demo, but just I already put into the mind map, so you don't need to remember that. It's just use this when you try to deal with the lens. You can come back to use this as a dictionary, and we start to see how to do the conversion. So let's create a new file. 772 unit conversion or converting, let's see. So it's a py. So from here, it's under this shared package or shared class, and you load this lens. So from docs x is the shared import lens. And we define a lens. So lens go to the 256, 254. So let's see. So what's that in? 254. So here is 254 means 2 pounds. Let's see. So and then with another 0 should be the 20 pounds. So we gave our this a large number as the default the input number. So the lens is our class that you can set our number, and then the print lens. Let's do this print. Is this one, so we get this one, and they have the different property. So from here, using this property, you have this EMU. So you give a EMU, then you can convert that to pound. So you can see here, so 20. Remember here is all are the not the integer, so they are just the numeric. So they must have the precision the issues if you want to use them directly. So cm, all in the small case, so not the capital, inches, and the TWIP. TWIP is the bigger than pound, but less than the, no. Let's put this here. I don't use these TWIPs often, but these are defined here. So it's very easy. You can have here these numbers. So what is the thing is you can set our large number and you get this number is in EMU. So what if is I don't know the EMU, so I want to just use my familiar unit. You can see here from docx shared, not besides lens, we can also import the other unit. So let's do this from another one. So this one, and we create another one. Two. So we don't import lens, we import the CN. Then we gave our CN. So now is we just call this still the lens, but now it's in CN. So it's CM2. So just don't want to change the others. So we will leave this lens. So print lens dot we can now is have this EMU. So let's print. So you can see here, lens is by default is give you the EMU. So here is the EMU, same as this EMU, and my CM is here. and cm is times 10. We'll get the mm, and also this is the pound, this is the inch, this is the pips. So the author already mentioned is converting is the result. The number will be the floating type. So because when we do the converting, is actually we did their EMU's large numbers division, the operation. So that will have the potential issue for the precision. So because it's not maybe not this integer this division. So that is the way you need to pay attention. So if you set this in a cm, but you later on you want to use that as our inch, you may need to be cautious. They are go to some the floating type. So it's that would be better is you starting from your inch instead of cm. So within the this doc share, they have a lot of. If you right click, you can come to here. I think it's they gave you the different. We can find this. These are EMU. You can see. So they have the define. So if you want to use the inch, you just load this inch or mm or pound directly, and make that instance created based on the class. Then you can use the precise the length figures. The next chapter is talking about the Chinese the character, because normally we call the Chinese character or even the Korean, Japanese. So characters are double byte the character, so that means it's the one character in Chinese. All those Eastern language characters occupy two the default length of the Western the character. So it's easy. It's we just double should get this the length, but we need to understand how this can convert Chinese char length py. So let's do our the sample. So within this Python docx, there's no specific the unit of length for Chinese characters. So we have to do the converting by ourselves. So here is the some this Chinese this font size mapping to those EMU. So the author already did that. Is we set these are converting, then using the Python we read, and then we get this length. So and then this when we have this Chinese character, and then this we can do this first line indent two character is using this way. So let's make this demo. So docx import. So this line you should remember, and we have our doc instance is equal to document. And then let's change this to our current working class. And then let's doc save 773 dot docx. So let's run and create our file. So that's perfect. Then we load one unit. We use pound. And we create, don't let this use the auto complete. That will generate issues. Oh, sorry. So paragraph is doc is add paragraph someday. Oh, let's use Chinese. So 某一天 someday Office 遇上了 Python. So that is our word. So let's run this, and we can see here, oh, nothing. So paragraph, font, doc, add the paragraph. So let me save and run. Oh, it's all I got is our arrow. Doc add document object has no attribute. Add PARA. Oh, here. So I have the typo. Yeah, we have this one showed. Let's continue. So we have our part is we set font size is retrieved paragraph style font size. So we get this, and if font size is none, so that means is none is there's a not set our font size. It will get we set that to the number 5. Number 5 is PT 10.5. We will list this later on. So here, number 5 is here. Then that is make the default. Then we will paragraph dot paragraph format. Remember the indent we use is the first line. Indent is equal to font size. So use 2 character. So that should come like 1 indent. So that is the indent. So we use this number 5 size. So let's do this or another one. So let me copy this. Well, we can use that. So this is the check Chinese chart length. So we put this to the second one. And let me create our Chinese from here. First, if I come to here, my word is English, so I don't have this Chinese font size. So let's try to do this way. So from the option, I put this as the office display. So display like this. Let's see whether this can help to change this interface. I believe so. Let's open, and from the size. But this size, I still don't have this Chinese code. So let's save this. Let me try to convert this to see the. Oh, so there's no. I can only set those English chart. I don't have the Chinese chart. Yeah, leave that. Let's just test for 6 part. So let me go to here. Let's make this test. Chinese. So I have our enter. So I suppose there's a 2 paragraph, and this paragraph has 6 runs. Let's load this to check. So test Chinese box is paragraphs. Let's see. So print. Let's print. So for font size is the. Let's see whether we can get this font size. Print font size. This we don't need. And the save, we don't need to save for now. So the font size is none, so that means we don't set font size for this one. Also none, so paragraph. So that is the ways. I think we need to find some other way because my office is not purely Chinese. So you can try to remember this small table the author mentioned. And what we have done is if you know our font size or you can set our font size, you start to make it font size double will be the normal Chinese characters indent in the first line. So that I hope is enough discussed for this the unit of lines. In the next chapter, we will talk about the title, and I will try to check with this code, and will mention the update to you if I can solve this Chinese this character issue. It's not an issue because I'm not have our Chinese edition office, so I cannot demo to you for that. If your word is in purely Chinese, you should see the 初号、1号、2号、3号 than me, so that will be better for you to practice the guidelines. So see you in the next video.